Christmas Carol Book Review. A timeless classic, a review of A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens was published in 1843. A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens is a novella that has become an integral part of the holiday season. This timeless classic tells the story of Ebenezer Scrooge, a miserly and bitter old man who is visited by the ghost of his former business partner Jacob Marley and the spirits of Christmas past, present, and yet to come. Here is a brief summary of A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. Ebenezer Scrooge, a miserly and bitter old man, is visited by the ghost of his former business partner Jacob Marley. On Christmas Eve, Marley's ghost warns Scrooge that he will be condemned to wander the earth wearing heavy chains if he doesn't change his ways. Ebenezer Scrooge was a cold hearted, selfish person. He was so miser, he did not like to spend money, even on festivals. He does not like to meet people. He did not even give something when charity workers came in order to get some charity for the needy ones who were suffering at the coldest time of the year. Moreover, Ebenezer Scrooge does not pay his employees well, and just because of that, his employees are in a financial crisis. Scrooge is then visited by the spirits of Christmas past, present, and yet to come. The spirit of Christmas past reveals Scrooge's unhappy childhood and lost love. The spirit of Christmas present shows Scrooge how his selfishness affects those people around him, including his clerk Bob Cratchit and his ill son Tiny Tim. The spirit of Christmas yet to come, that's mean the spirit of Christmas future, reveals a possible future where Scrooge has died and is mourned by no one. Actually, when his former business partner's ghost came, Jacob Marley, he warns him that the way he is living the life is completely unacceptable and wrong, and if he continues the same to live in the same way, so he will be punished the same as Jacob Marley. He was having chains, heavy chains of sins around him, and he actually wanted to save his friend from such heavy chains after his death. So for this purpose, Ebenezer Scrooge was visited by three spirit ghosts of Christmas present, past, and future. Past shows some unhappy moments from his past, which was somehow, occurred due to his mistake. Then Christmas present come and shows him the incidents and the happenings in the present where his employees, in which one of Bob Cratchit is there. He is actually in a financial crisis because he is not that much financially stable and also has a critically ill son Tiny Tim, and just because of it, because he is getting low salary or he is low paid, so he is not able to give a proper treatment, to get a proper treatment for his children, for especially for Tiny Tim. Then the spirit of future came and shows him the possible future events from Scrooge's after the Scrooge died. Everything of the Scrooge, everything he gathered all over his life was actually stored by someone, and there was no one to sorry for his death. That's mean no one was there to mourn on his death, and no one even bothered that Ebenezer Scrooge died. Horrified by these visions, Scrooge wakes up on Christmas morning a changed man. As soon all the spirits visited Ebenezer Scrooge, he was again woke up early in the morning, and it was fortunately Christmas morning. He actually became a changed person. He raises Bob Cratchit's salary, buys a goose for his family, and becomes a second father to Tiny Tim. These were some of the changes that occurred in in Ebenezer Scrooge after the visit of the ghost. He finally came to know or realize that whatever he was doing was actually wrong, and now onwards he wanted to change himself. He wanted to be kind, polite, humble, and compassionate towards others. From then on, Scrooge spreads kindness and generosity, becoming a beloved member of his community. In this way, Ebenezer Scrooge changed himself.